Hello, it's Angelo Pucci, and welcome to our newest listing at 60 Ian Fleming Crescent in Northeast Whitby. This home is spectacular, from 3 bedrooms, open concept kitchen to family room, formal dining room. But Kim is standing by to tell you all about it. Kim, are you ready?
I'm good to go.
Let's take it away.
An immaculate and beautifully maintained 3-bedroom bungalow situated within the Rolling Acres community of Whitby. Welcome to 60 Ian Fleming Crescent. Landscaped with a poured concrete walkway and stone perennial beds, accentuating the exceptional curb appeal is a stately custom stone portico, while through the front entrance is a main level exuding elegance and pride of ownership, and showcasing 9-foot ceilings, 7-inch crown moldings, beautiful ceiling medallions, as well as California shutters. Through a columned entry to the left of the foyer is the formal dining room. Showcasing a floor-to-ceiling window with a raised ceiling above it, the dining area has direct access from the kitchen for entertaining convenience and is finished with a custom tiled floor that flows throughout much of this level. All the custom window treatments are included with the home, as are most of the ceiling light fixtures, while both the kitchen and living room additionally feature accent pot lighting. And the living room also has the coziness of a gas fireplace surrounded by an elegant mantel and a boldly colored feature wall. The adjacent breakfast area has a garden door walkout onto a raised deck with built-in seating, its railing finished with lattice for additional privacy, and the deck steps down to a fully fenced backyard with mature perennial plantings, plenty of play and gardening space, as well as a gated entry on the west side of the home. The kitchen is a beautiful and well-designed workspace that features great cabinetry storage, including a wall pantry, a peninsula with a breakfast bar and stainless steel double undermount sink, upgraded granite counters and ceramic backsplashes, and includes a dishwasher, oven with smooth cooktop, and fridge with bottom mount freezer. With its direct access to the dining area, as well as its openness to the breakfast and living rooms, the kitchen is truly the hub of the home, making entertaining easy and convenient. This level has a sunken laundry room with cabinetry storage, a front-load washer and dryer, 2 walls accented with ceramic tiles, as well as direct access to the double-car garage. And this home also features a lower level with a finished landing and 2 separate unfinished rooms. The larger of the 2 has amazing potential to bring additional living and entertaining space to the home, and the smaller room offers great storage space with access to a cold cellar. Off the hallway to the bedrooms is a linen closet, as well as a 4-piece washroom with elegant tiled finishes throughout, and a vanity with an upgraded faucet and granite counter. The second bedroom has the coziness of carpeting, the third bedroom has laminate flooring, and both of these bedrooms are spacious and have ample closet storage. The south-facing master bedroom showcases the elegance of crown moldings and an exquisite chandelier, has a spacious walk-in closet, and is complete with an ensuite washroom with beautiful tiled finishes throughout, an upgraded vanity, and a walk-in shower with stone accents. Close to a public and a Catholic school, parks, public transit, and a golf course, numerous other prime amenities are also close at hand, and it's just a short drive to Durham College campuses, UOIT, and for access to highways 401 and the 407.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour. As you've seen, it's a beautiful bungalow, well suited for retirement, first home, beautiful backyard with stone deck. We'd love to show it to you. Give us a call, 416-627-4610. Thank you.